Hello from Aspire Art Studios. This is Miss Christine, and let's make a craft today. We're going to make the stir-fry chef pan. Here's what you'll need: 2 large paper bowls, craft paint, tissue paper, red, orange, and yellow, cut up into small squares, yarn, 1 pipe cleaner, a paintbrush, paper, and a big popsicle stick, and markers. First, paint the bottom of 2 paper bowls. Then, get an adult to poke 2 holes for the lid handle. Cut half of a pipe cleaner and slip it through the holes. Twist the ends of the pipe cleaner to secure it underneath the lid. Test the lid to make sure it does not break. Paint a large popsicle stick for the handle. Then, get an adult to cut a slit on the edge of the other pan. Stick the large popsicle slightly through the slit and tape the popsicle stick into the pan to secure it. On a small paper, draw and color different ingredients. Cut them out. Use your imagination. You can draw vegetables, fruits, meats, grains, spices. Have fun. Tape the ingredients onto a strand of yarn, one that's as long as an arm, and leave tails at the end. Afterwards, tape one end of the tail to the bottom of the lid. Then tape the other end of the tail to the bottom of the pan. Next, take squares of red, yellow, and orange tissue and pencil it into a bunch. Glue them along the bottom of the pan for fire. And voila! You're done. Have a good meal, but it's made of paper. Make sure you visit us at aspireartstudios.com or follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Check out this channel for more arts and crafts videos. See you next time!